If you're a Brit living in the United Kingdom and you want to learn a way that you can start to make money online, but you don't want to do surveys, you don't want to do stressful things like e-commerce, or you don't want to be a YouTuber like me, I'm going to show you guys a way that you can start to make money online that's tax-free. And if you follow every single instruction, you are guaranteed to make money if you follow every single instruction. Now, look, I can imagine you guys get people telling you things like this every single day. So instead of me just telling you, let me show you first and foremost. Let me show you guys now. Okay, so I just want to walk through and just give you some examples of some members that have been making money with this system. Now, if you take a look up, you can see the question, members, how much profit did you make in October? Now, I'm going to get into the meat and potato of things, but let me show you proof that this system works first and foremost. So you can see this person made £200. You can see this person made £405. This person made £525, £650, £78.40. And you can see that's the person's worst month since April. Okay, if we come back up here and we take a look, this person's made about £650, £150, £1,000 for the first time ever, £581, £600, £200, over £2,000 on £1,300, just under £1,000. Go across again, just under £400. We can see in the first 4 weeks, £450, £176. Keep going across again. We can just see multiple examples: 241, 350, 800, 480, 320, £1,400. Look, guys, I just wanted to show you that first and foremost, just to show you that what it is that I have for you today. This is the best way to make money online if you're a Brit living in the United Kingdom. Now, let me show you guys the actual system, what it's called and what it's about. So the system that it is that you can leverage to be able to make money in the United Kingdom is a system called outplayed.com. Okay, outplayed.com. Now, you've probably at some point heard of what we call matched betting, and this is what outplayed.com is all predicated and it's all about. Now, typically in videos like this before, I used to log in, I used to show people around how the system works, but it used to blow their mind. So I just thought to myself, what's probably the best way to go about showing you guys how the system works? Well, let's get the founder himself, Sam Stoffel, this gentleman right here. Let's get him to actually show you how it works himself. Let's check it out, and then I'll jump back on after that.
Okay, so you want to know how you can use matched betting to make money just like all of these people. There's no luck, there's no chance, and as long as you do it correctly, you cannot lose money. Bookmakers give out free bets to try and attract new customers and to keep their existing ones gambling with them. And for them, this is a tiny cost that they're happy to pay because it allows them to get and keep customers that make them hundreds of millions of pounds of profit every year from all the gambling. But if you're smart, you can take advantage of those free bets, lock in a guaranteed profit for yourself, and then ride off into the sunset. You start by finding a bookmaker that's offering a free bet, and there are literally dozens to choose from. For example, bet 5, get 20. So you sign up with them and you place a £5 bet, let's say on Chelsea to beat Man City. You then go to a different betting website and you place a bet against Chelsea, and that particular bet would also cover the draw. So you've got one bet on them and one bet against them. And those two bets cancel each other out, so no matter what happens, you'll break even. But what we've done here is we've qualified for the free bet. So we take our £20 and we do the same thing again. We bet on Chelsea and then we bet against them somewhere else. And if you stake just the right amount on each side, you're guaranteed a profit no matter what happens. We don't care who wins. We don't care if it's a draw, because we cover all possible outcomes. And you can do this again and again with more than 50 different bookmakers and make close to £1,000 in guaranteed profit. We tell you which bookmakers to open accounts with, we tell you what bets to place and how to place them, and as long as you follow our instructions, you are mathematically guaranteed to make money. And after you've done the sign-up offers, there are hundreds, literally hundreds, of reload offers, which are basically free bets for your existing bookie account. So you don't need to keep opening more and more bookie accounts. You can do this even if you've already got loads of betting accounts. We never care who wins. We care about mathematically guaranteed profits. And that is what you're going to find inside our members area. Now, I hope I'll see you inside, but if you need any more convincing, give us a call, live chat us, or join one of our public Facebook groups and chat to other real people to hear it directly from them. Thank you for watching.
So, guys, really quickly, did you hear what he just said? He said, as long as you follow our instructions, you are mathematically guaranteed to make a profit, make money. There is no opportunity that is out there like outplayed.com, simply because of the fact that nothing can give you guarantees. But if you follow the instructions within outplayed.com, guess what? You're guaranteed to be able to make money. Let's jump back into my screen. Perfect. Okay, so look, the reality of the situation is this. If you're living in the United Kingdom, you know that you need to be able to make money. And if you've heard enough already, you've seen people making money, you've seen the way that the system works, how simple and straightforward it is, simply just following instructions to be able to guarantee mathematically and generate profits. Click the link in the description below this video or scan the QR code that is down there. I'm just literally looking at it on my screen, and scan the QR code and get yourself set up with the free trial. Give it a try, make some profits, then take the profits that you make, reinvest that to then sign up to the monthly membership. Okay, click the link in the description or scan the QR code. But it's a very, very simple concept, and as it says right here, like what I said, win, lose or draw, you will make money. And that is the beauty of this system. Now look, let's just be 100% honest and transparent. The reason as to why I started this channel is simply because right now Brits are struggling more than ever. If we take a look in this article, we can see here in April 2025, 22% of adults in Great Britain said they had to borrow money or use more credit than usual in the last month compared to a year ago. Okay, so people are struggling more than ever right now, and we can see this is the average salary that it is that people are living on, but they're still struggling. We're seeing people like nurses, professionals that are having to go to food banks to be able to supplement their income so that they can get by. That is how hard at times that it is that people are dealing with. This headline right here, more Britons than ever are struggling to make ends meet, report warns. Defense was also a key theme of the report, and researchers found about 40% of Britons support spending more money on weapons and troops. That's not even the relevant part. But what is relevant is that Brits are struggling more than ever to be able to make ends meet, and that is a big problem. Lastly, over the past decade, there's been a significant rise in financial insecurity and in the proportion of the population in experiencing multiple insecurities at the same time. So in 2022-23, 47% of UK adults experienced financial security. This was sharply up from 29% or 16.7 million in 2014-2015. This is what people are dealing with. So people are looking for an opportunity. And if you're watching this video, you are one of those individuals. That is why, for me, if you're a Brit living in the United Kingdom, outplayed.com is most definitely the opportunity for you without a shadow of a doubt. Okay, so let's just get back into it. Now, look, credibility is something that is very important. And look, just so you understand who I am and what I've done, I make money on the internet now full time for a living. That is what it is that I do. I don't do it with outplayed.com. I do it with other strategies, and I make a full-time living from the internet. But outplayed.com, the system of outplayed.com, is where I first got my taste of making money on the internet. And this is the reason as to why I genuinely love this company, and I push and I will promote it so hard. So if you take a look, 6 days ago, 5-star review, 5-star review. Not everything's perfect. They've got a 1-star review here, but 5-star review, another 1-star, 5-star, 4-star, 5-star, 5-star, 5-star. Guys, you guys can see, literally just see it from yourself, the amount of reviews that it is that they've got. So take a look. Out of 2,653 reviews they've got, 89% of those reviews are 5-star. This is the credibility of outplayed.com, and this is what it is that I love. If I come back across to the website once again, you can see it says here, real stories from real people. And these are some of the ways that it is that members of Outplayed have been literally leveraging the money and the profits that it is that they make simply just by utilizing outplay.com. I've been thinking how getting into Outplay has pretty much changed my life. I just got married in April, which was all paid for by the bookies. Take a look. Well, just over 7 months of being involved in this game, and I'm over £6,500 up. Okay, we can see it right here, 22 months in, and just hit the £11,500 milestone, and I made my first purchase and spent half the pot. Okay, we can just see there's so many examples. I can click load more, I can scroll, I can click load more, and you can literally see people are leveraging outplay.com to be able to change their situation and change their circumstances. So look, if you're watching this video and you live in the UK and you're wondering, how can I learn to make money online? And I should not even learn, how can I make guaranteed money online, mathematically guaranteed money online? Outplay.com is most definitely the way you want to go for it. And what makes it even better is you don't need to be skeptical. Why? Because there's a free trial involved. Click the link in the description below this video, or go down there, anywhere across the bottom here, or scan the QR code if you're watching this on a TV or anything, and get yourself set up with a free trial. This is the best opportunity without a shadow of a doubt. All right, guys, I hope this video has been valuable for you guys. I hope you guys get started, and let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below. Is there an opportunity you think is better than outplay.com? Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below. Appreciate you guys. See you guys in the next one.